Tipur, Arnob, Balam, Miller, Elita and Kona. We're welcoming the world. The heartbeat of this wonderful city of Dhaka, felt through the voices of some of the most popular musical stars in the country. And now for a very special guest in tonight's occasion, the mascot for the ICC Cricket World Cup 2011, Stumpy. Here he is, full of runs, full of hope, and full of anticipation for the next 6-7 weeks, 13 venues, 3 countries, and Stumpy will be at every venue. He is our mascot to bring us luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the team captains of the 14 nations.
The 14 nations taking part, the 10 full members of the ICC and 4 the associate members, the defending champion, the defending captain from Australia, Ricky Ponting. And I'm delighted to welcome alongside me one of our guests tonight as we watch and share this opening ceremony with you, former India captain and World Cup winner Ravi Shastri. Ravi, a great moment, a magnificent moment for Ricky Ponting.
Magnificent moment for Ricky Ponting, a chance for Australia to win it 4 times on the trot. But already, what a spectacular evening this is, Alan. You've got a jam-packed stadium. All roads have led to the Bangabandhu Stadium. You've got Andrew Strauss there of England. England have never won a World Cup, and he'd like to make an impression here with his team. They've had a good year of 2010. Can they take this into 2011 as well and make an impression here?
And we saw a shot there of Ashish Bagai, who was born in Delhi. He's now captain of Canada. And Andrew Strauss, he's come off the back of a disappointing ODI series in Australia, but of course he has the Ashes back on English land.
That's Zeeland of Netherlands.
From Ireland, there's William Porterfield, who plays